Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the depth effect on your lock screen. So with the latest One UI 8 update, Samsung has actually ruined the way you can add the depth effect on your lock screen. So the depth effect gives your wallpaper a layered 3D look by automatically detecting the subject in your photo and slightly overlapping the clock or the notification behind it. So it adds like a 3D effect. However, in the latest update from Samsung has actually added a border around the image. So let me show you how it looks like. So here we'll go ahead and first create the image. So here we'll use this image. We'll tap on three dots and we'll tap save as image. So it's here we have saved this as a PNG. Now let's go ahead and edit our lock screen. So let's say I want to go ahead and add something here. So I'll tap on lock star, tap on app widget, go ahead and find the gallery widget, add that widget. Bring it down here. Let's go ahead and choose that image. So when we go ahead and look at our lock screen, you don't see that depth effect as you're seeing this rectangle block behind the subject. So let me show you how you can create the real depth effect on your lock screen. So for this, we need to go ahead and open the Play Store and we need to go ahead and find this app called Photo Widget Easy. So this is the app which you need to install on your device. It's completely free. Now once installed, you want to go back to your lock screen customization, tap on wallpaper and style, tap on your lock screen. Here we'll go ahead and delete this image. Now we'll tap on lock star, we'll tap on app widgets, and we'll go ahead and find that app called Photo Widget Easy. Tap on this. We'll use the 4x4, add widget. Okay, tap on settings. We'll go ahead and add the widget. Now we'll go ahead and enlarge this. So as you can see, you've got no more black rectangle behind the subject. It's completely transparent. You press done. And now when we look at the background, you'll see that depth effect on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this adds a premium modern iPhone style depth effect look to your lock screen. It makes your wallpaper stand out with realistic 3D layer. It's fully customizable, so you can adjust the photo, subject, and the border to your liking. And this reflects the Samsung's latest design innovation in One UI 8. So there you go guys, that's how to create depth effect on your lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy device.